Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to put some of the projects on hold and go do something fun. The Street Machines of Rochester first cruise-in is today, so we're going to go out and check that out today and look at some sweet cars. Stick around. What a fun afternoon that was. Tons of great cars, a bunch of cool people, incredible builds. Some of the cars I saw today were absolutely mind-blowing. So I'm looking forward to many more of these cruise-in and car shows, and so I'll be out and about filming, and if anyone wants a feature with their car, wants to do a little video with their car, don't hesitate to hit me up here or on Instagram. And yeah, so fun time, I think, had by all. I think a lot of people needed that today, and it was fun to get out there. Thanks for watching, guys. Appreciate it.